Now we will see using the navigation controls. In the previous video you saw defining the web.sitemap. Once it is defined, we can start using the navigation controls. So first I will open master page.master. So here is the example. I will remove this left side link. Okay. Here in the bottom we will add a navigation control for path. So I'm going to toolbox, collapsing standard. Then under navigation you can see all navigation controls. One is sitemap path. First we will examine how sitemap path works. So I'm just moving it to footer section of this master page. Then we will set style. Okay, we are done with it. Now there is nothing we need to do. I'm just running this sample. Before that I'll go to solution, then I'll make this home as the startup page. So this is how it displays. Here is the path navigation control. Since we are at home page, it is showing home page. Once you move to different part of the page, those link will get displayed. Since in the left side I removed all the link page that we are not able to examine now. So we will place some other navigation control, then we'll come back here and examine the path navigation control. This path navigation control will automatically show what hierarchy level you are viewing the page. So here I'll put a menu control. Menu control we will keep it here in the master page. So we will set the style here. I'm setting Calibri as the font, then making it blue color. And I'm again choosing a small font. Then we will go to properties. The property we will make orientation as horizontal. So I'm making it as a horizontal. So here in the static display level I will keep it as 2, so that it will display 2 levels of hierarchy. That means let me go to Solution Explorer, open sitemap. 2 level in the sense this is level 1, it will display this home. Then since I kept 2, it takes all the nodes in the next level. That means child of this home. That means it displays India, United States of America, and Egypt. So that's 2 levels. Home page is level 1. Level 2 is 3 siblings. That means India, United States, and Egypt. Okay, that's what I said there. But here if you see, it is still not in the static display, it is not showing anything. So in order to use these control, we have to add a data control. So under data group, if you see, there is a sitemap data source control, so which I can place anywhere. So now I'm keeping it here. So let me change the name of this data source, sitemap ds. So I kept a sitemap data source here. Now go to this menu here in the data source. Here in the data source I am choosing sitemap ds. If you see, now you can see home page, India, United States, Egypt, all those stuff. Before that I will go to auto format and choose a classic style here. This is classic, and I placed this. So I'm clicking apply, then OK. Now we are in the state of examining how this web page works. So I'm doing save all. Now I'm running this application. So if you see, you can able to see the menu control here. When I click India, you can see there are 3 sub-item belongs to India. When I move to United States of America, there are 3 main items. Similarly for Egypt. And here you are seeing the home page. Now let me click on United States of America, and you can see home page, United States of America, that you are able to see now. Similarly, if I click something, River Nile Cruise, in the bottom you can see that navigation, home page, Egypt, River Nile Cruise. So here from this navigation you can also choose go to the previous node. You can go to home page or Egypt. So I click Egypt, you can see the description for the Egypt here. Right. So when I click India, you can see the page for India. Okay, I'm closing it. Let's examine one more control that belongs to navigation control. So I'm going to toolbox. So in the toolbox I'm expanding navigation control. Then I'm choosing a tree view control. So the tree view control is placed in the left side pane of the master page. Now let's go and do auto format. Before auto format, I'm choosing sitemap DS. Then in the auto format, I'm choosing a different style. So let me choose RS2 style. You can able to see there are different styles here. So I'm just picking RS2 style. It can expand and collapse. So this is done. Now let me check the style. So we'll put our standard style here. Choose Calibri as the font. Then we'll choose blue color, and in the absolute I'm choosing small size font. That's all. You can click OK now on this dialog. Okay, this control is ready. Now we will run this application again. So this is how page displays now. On the left side you are seeing tree view navigation control. On the top you are seeing menu navigation control. Here in the bottom you are seeing a path navigation control. So the path navigation control doesn't require any data source, but for these two control we are making use of a data source control. So you can collapse this and expand. That's how this tree view control works. So each one is a link. If I click United States of America, you will see that corresponding page get displayed in the content, and if I press Yellowstone, the corresponding page will get displayed. Also you can see the navigation here. So that's all on the navigation control. Before I close the video, the navigation control works on three parts. One is you have to define the sitemap XML. Once sitemap XML is defined, the path navigation control picks the data from that sitemap file, XML file, but you no need to link this control to any data source. But here for these two control, menu and tree view, to work, you have to link these control to the sitemap data source control. The sitemap data source control automatically links to the sitemap navigation. I mean that web.sitemap XML page. So we no need to manually specify that link. The data source will automatically link it to that XML file. So since these controls are linked to the data source control, and we are indirectly linking these two controls to that sitemap XML, and that's how it displays these hierarchies. That's all on this video. Closing it now.